Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I want to show you how you buy Bitcoin directly into your Passport hardware wallet. In this video, I'm going to use the Foundation Passport with Sparrow. We're starting on getbittr.com where you click on Buy Bitcoin. The first step is to enter your email address. When this is done, jump to your inbox and confirm the mail you received from Bittr. In the next step, you have to enter the IBAN you want to use for your Bitcoin purchase. Good job! After that, you come to the wallet selection where you have to click on Other Wallet. Here's the message that needs to be signed with your passport. But don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. We will need this message for the next step, so go ahead and copy it by clicking on it. Now, switch over to the Sparrow Wallet and connect your passport. Once connected, go to the Addresses tab on the left. You'll now see your receiving addresses. Hover over one and you see a small pen icon. Click it to access the message signing feature. Paste the message you copied from the Bittr website. The Passport is an air-gapped hardware wallet, meaning there's no cable connection. To sign the message, we'll use a QR code. Click on Sign by QR. Now, you need to scan this QR code with your passport. Turn on your passport and unlock it by entering your PIN. Navigate to Account Tools and then select Sign a Message. Next, scan the QR code from Sparrow. Double-check the message and Bitcoin address on your device. If everything looks good, confirm the signing. Your passport will now display your signature as a QR code. Return to Sparrow and click on Scan QR. You can use your webcam or a connected phone to scan the QR code. And here's your signature. Great, you're almost done. Now just copy and paste the Bitcoin address into the Bittr website. Do the same with the signature. Once that's done, you can choose between using the XPUB of the wallet or a single address to receive Bitcoin. If you're not sure about the difference, check out our blog post that's linked below. If you want to use a single address, just click there to finish the setup. But I also want to show you how to add an XPUB, so I'm clicking on Use Extended Public Key. To get the XPUB, head back to Sparrow and select Settings in the tab on the left. You'll see your XPUB right there. Simply copy and paste it. And that's it. Nicely done. Here you can now see all the details for your bank transfer. Every time you make a bank transfer, you will receive Bitcoin directly into your passport. Just make sure to use the correct payment description. You can easily copy the details by clicking on them. To complete the setup, let's do a bank transfer to see how it works. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. And that's it. I hope this was useful. Stay humble and stack sats.